Number 1. 1971 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Sportster, $2,500, Rising Sun, Ohio. The 1971 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Sportster remains one of the most recognizable American motorcycles of its era, admired for its rugged V-twin engine and unmistakable old-school character. Ironhead models continue to attract enthusiasts thanks to their mechanical simplicity, timeless styling, and excellent customization potential. This example offers an affordable entry into classic Harley ownership. The seller states that the motorcycle has a good battery and was previously running, but currently needs an inner advance kit and points to return to service. It also comes with a clean title, making it a solid restoration candidate. For buyers looking for a vintage Harley project with plenty of personality, this Ironhead presents a promising opportunity. Number 2. 1978 BMW R80/7, $7,000, Alpharetta, Georgia. The 1978 BMW R80/7 is one of BMW's most respected airhead motorcycles, known for its smooth boxer twin engine, dependable engineering, and comfortable touring capability. These classic machines continue to enjoy strong collector interest thanks to their durability and timeless design. This California-owned example has undergone an extensive mechanical restoration while retaining much of its original character. According to the seller, the motorcycle received more than $6,500 in restoration work, including a rebuilt transmission, carburetor tuning, rear suspension service, new tires, and complete fluid replacement. It is described as running in excellent condition and ready for the road. For enthusiasts seeking a beautifully restored vintage BMW, this R80/7 is an outstanding choice. Number 3. 1982 Honda GL500 Silverwing, $3,500, Hendersonville, North Carolina. The 1982 Honda GL500 Silverwing combines Honda's dependable engineering with touring comfort in a compact and practical package. Featuring a liquid-cooled V-twin engine and shaft drive, the GL500 earned a reputation for reliability that continues to appeal to vintage motorcycle enthusiasts today. This example has received extensive mechanical attention in recent years. The seller reports that major service was completed in 2024, and the bike has since covered several thousand miles while remaining in excellent mechanical condition. It is described as fully capable of long-distance riding without additional work. For buyers looking for a reliable vintage touring motorcycle, this Silverwing offers excellent value. Number 4. 1971 Triumph Tiger 650, $3,900, Beaver Springs, Pennsylvania. The 1971 Triumph Tiger 650 represents the golden era of British parallel twin motorcycles, combining classic styling with smooth and dependable performance. Tiger models remain popular among collectors because of their timeless appearance, enjoyable riding experience, and lasting connection to Triumph's rich heritage. This matching numbers example has been carefully maintained and upgraded for dependable use. According to the seller, the motorcycle features electronic ignition, new tires and tubes, and is reported to run well with everything functioning properly. It also comes with a good title in the seller's name. For riders seeking a well-kept British classic that's ready to enjoy, this Tiger 650 is a very attractive option. Number 5. 1979 Kawasaki LTD 1000, $6,000, Alton, Illinois. The 1979 Kawasaki LTD 1000 blends the proven performance of Kawasaki's legendary four-cylinder platform with distinctive cruiser-inspired styling. Known for its strong engine and reliable engineering, the LTD 1000 remains a favorite among enthusiasts looking for a classic Japanese muscle bike. This low-mileage example appears to have been carefully preserved throughout its life. The seller notes that the motorcycle remains largely stock aside from the exhaust header and has received numerous maintenance updates, including refreshed brakes, new chain and sprockets, upgraded ignition components, and a sealed battery. With just 13,000 original miles and a clean title, this Kawasaki offers an excellent combination of originality and road-ready condition. Number 6. 1977 Harley-Davidson Custom Sportster, $4,000, Westerville, Ohio. The 1977 Harley-Davidson Sportster is a classic American V-twin that has long been a favorite among custom motorcycle enthusiasts. Known for its strong torque, unmistakable Harley sound, and endless customization potential, the Sportster became an icon of the custom bike scene and remains highly respected by vintage Harley fans today. According to the seller, this custom Sportster runs great and comes with a clear title, along with the manufacturer's certificate of origin for the motorcycle frame. Finished in burgundy and showing 46,500 miles, it offers a unique opportunity to own a custom-built vintage Harley that's ready to be enjoyed on the open road. Number 7. 1975 Yamaha RD125, $1,850, Alpharetta, Georgia. The 1975 Yamaha RD125 is a lightweight two-stroke motorcycle that introduced many riders to Yamaha's famous RD performance family. Its lively engine, agile handling, and simple mechanical design made it an enjoyable everyday bike, while its classic styling continues to attract collectors and vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. This red example shows 8,878 miles, and the seller says it has been well loved but has been sitting for a while. It will likely need some carburetor work, but it does run, making it an affordable vintage project with plenty of classic two-stroke character and riding potential. Number 8. 1973 BMW R75-5, $5,000, Mooresville, North Carolina. The 1973 BMW R75-5 is one of BMW's most respected air-cooled boxer motorcycles, especially the desirable short-wheelbase toaster tank models. Famous for their smooth performance, dependable engineering, and timeless styling, these motorcycles remain highly sought after by riders who appreciate classic German craftsmanship. According to the seller, this triple matching numbers example has a current registration, a clear Illinois title, and runs, shifts, and rides wonderfully. Mechanically, it is in excellent condition, while the paint is not factory original, making it an excellent rider for someone who values reliability and performance over showroom originality. Number 9. 1976 Honda Goldwing, $2,100, Simpsonville, South Carolina. The 1976 Honda Goldwing helped redefine long-distance touring with its smooth flat-4 engine, shaft drive, and outstanding reliability. As one of Honda's most influential motorcycles, the early Goldwing has become increasingly collectible, while still offering the comfort and dependability that made it famous decades ago. The seller says this yellow example has a clean title, starts easily, runs very well, and has received a mechanical restoration with many new parts installed. At just $2,100, it presents an affordable opportunity to own a classic touring motorcycle that's ready for many more miles. Number 10. 1974 Yamaha Enduro 125, $650, Burlington, Wisconsin. The Yamaha Enduro 125 earned its reputation as a dependable dual-purpose motorcycle that could comfortably handle both trails and city streets. Equipped with a lightweight chassis, oil-injected two-stroke engine, and electric start, it became a favorite among riders looking for versatility and simple maintenance. This restoration project has already been stripped to the frame, which has been powder-coated, and it includes brand new front and rear tires. The seller notes that it still needs a new piston and rings before it can run, and is being sold with a bill of sale only, making it an inexpensive project for anyone interested in bringing a classic Yamaha back to life.